Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we'll be solving one very interesting question from algebra for all the possible values of x, real or complex. So let's get it started. We'll write our equation first. 2000x power 6 plus 100x power 5 plus 10x cube plus x minus 2 equal to 0. We have subtracted 2 from both the sides. Now I will use algebraic manipulation. So I will be adding here 200x power 4 and 20x square. So we have to subtract the same, which we will write here, minus 200x power 4 minus 20x square. We will consider these three terms as it is. So here we have first bracket, here we have second bracket, and here we have third bracket. So minus would be common. So I will write here 2000 x power 6 plus 200 x power 4 plus 20 x square. Then we have plus 100 x power 5 plus 10 x cube plus x. Then we will take minus common out. In the bracket we will write 200 x power 4 plus 20 x square plus 2 equal to 0. Now we can take 20x square common from this bracket, x common from this bracket, and 2 common from this bracket. So we are going to get 20x square in the bracket 100x power 4 plus 10x square plus 1. Now x is common, so we will write here plus x in the bracket 100x power 4 plus 10x square plus 1. Then we have 2 common from the bracket. So it will become minus 2 in the bracket 100x power 4 plus 10x square plus 1. And RHS is 0. Now we have 100x power 4 plus 10x square plus 1 overall common. So we will write 100x power 4 plus 10x square plus 1 is common. In other bracket we will be writing 20x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we will be using product 0 rule. So we can write two equations, either 100x power 4 plus 10x square plus 1 equal to 0, or 20x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to solve two equations. Let's begin with the first equation. Here I will calculate discriminant first, but before that let us assume x square equal to y. So we can write degree 4 equation into quadratic equation. I will write 100 y square plus 10y plus 1 equal to 0. Let us find discriminant of this equation, which I will denote by delta. It is b square minus 4ac. So 10 square minus 4 times 100 times 1, which will be equal to 100 minus 400. So discriminant will become minus 300. We are going to get complex solutions. Now I will write here our roots, which is in y. So y will become minus b plus minus square root of delta over 2 times a. So as per our equation, b is 10. So we'll write minus 10 plus minus square root of minus 300 over 2 times 100. So we can write 200. Now square root of minus 300 is square root of 1 times square root of 300, which can be written as I times square root of 300. Let me write here minus 10 plus minus I times square root of 300 divided by 200. This is equal to y. Now we know that square root 300 can be written as 10 root 3. So minus 10 plus minus I times 10 square root 3 over 200. Now we will divide numerator and denominator by 10. So we will be getting minus 1 plus minus I square root 3 over 20, which can be written 1 over 10 in bracket minus 1 plus minus I square root 3 over 2. Now we will use Euler's form and we can write 1 over 10 e raised to the power minus 1 over 2 root 3 over 2. Theta will be equal to 2 pi over 3. So we will write plus minus I times theta. Theta is 2 pi over 3. This is equal to y, and y is x square. Now we will raise power half both sides. So let me write x square whole power 1 over 2 equal to 1 over 10 times e power plus minus I times 2 pi over 3 whole power 1 over 2. Now we will take square root both sides. So in LHS 2 and denominator 2 will get cancelled out. We will write x only. We have to put plus minus sign over there. Then we can write 1 over square root 10. And this numerator 2 with e exponent and denominator 2 will get cancelled out. I will write e power plus minus I pi over 3. Now e raised to the power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. So I will write x will be equal to plus minus 1 over square root of 10 e raised to the power plus minus I pi over 3 will be equal to plus minus 1 over square root 10. Here we will be writing cos 60, which will be equal to 1 over 2 plus minus I times sin 60 root 3 over 2. Now we have to simplify a bit. We'll write plus minus. Let's take rationalization here. 1 over root 10 times root 10, and in numerator we will multiply with root 10. In the bracket we can write 1 over 2 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. Root 10 times root 10 is 10. So plus minus root 10 over 10. In bracket we have half plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. Now we can multiply root 10 over 10 into the bracket and write plus minus root 10 over 20 in the bracket. Then we have plus minus sign. Root 10 times root 3, root 30. So we'll write I times root 30. 10 times 2 is 20. So here we have 4 complex solutions or imaginary roots. Now we have to solve quadratic equation. So I will write equation 20x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Here a is coefficient of x square, we can write 20. B is coefficient of x, we will be writing 1. C is constant, we will write minus 2. Let's use formula. We will write x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Let's plug in all the values of a, b and c. We will get minus 1 plus minus square root of b square is 1 square minus 4 times 20 times negative 2 over 2 times a. So we'll be writing 2 times 20, which will simplify minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus times minus plus 80 times 2 160 over 2 times 20 is 40. So we are going to get minus 1 plus minus square root 161 over 40. So I will write x equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of 161 over 40. So we have 4 complex roots and we have 2 real roots. Overall 6 roots are there because our equation was Hexic. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.